Hey guys, Matty coming at you from the Chief Life Kitchen. Today we are going to use a recipe from our Creative Kitchen Cookbook, and it's a healthy lasagna. Let's have a look at all these ingredients.
Mince, eggplant, zucchini, carrot, tomato paste, coconut milk, cheddar cheese, garlic, cumin, and oregano. To start today's recipe, we're going to grate our zucchini and carrot. You can do this by hand or in your food processor. Once you've grated these ingredients, let's place them into a bowl and off to the side. Place your oil into the pan. We've chosen to use coconut oil today. You'll then add your garlic and lightly brown the garlic pieces. After that, we'll add in our mince, and we're going to cook this all the way through. It's okay to let your mince sit until it's started to cook through, and then we'll flip it over. Just before the mince is fully browned, we're going to add in our oregano and cumin. Stir that through. And once browned, we're going to add in all of our carrot and zucchini. Once again, we're going to stir this through. Make sure we've got a consistent mix before adding in our tomato paste. Once we've added the tomato paste, we want to make sure it's on everything, so be sure to give it a really good mix through. Let the mince simmer for a minute or two before opening the lid and giving it one last stir through. Next up, we're going to form the healthy layers of our lasagna. What we need to do is slice the eggplant as thin as possible. Try to keep it pretty consistent. From there, we'll layer the baking dish with our eggplant, followed by your mince, carrot, and zucchini mix, and finishing each layer off with some coconut milk. We're going to repeat this process until all of our ingredients are used. Be sure to use all of your ingredients, including the coconut milk, before topping the lasagna with your cheese. Place in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Ta-da! This healthy lasagna is going to blow your minds, guys. Enjoy.